Hello, and thank you for watching this data services training video. In this video, we're going to go over how to make groups in the related services application. So once you've created a group, you'll get to see that groups button up here on the top. You'll see I've created myself a Mondays group. And you'll also see a tag next to all of the students who are currently in that group. There are two different ways to add groups in the system. The first way to add a group in the system would be to select the students that you would like to add to the group, and then select the Create Group button down at the bottom of the screen. This will provide you with a pop-up, which is going to ask you to add the group's name. Once you've typed in the group's name, just select the Save button, and this will save those students to the group. The other way to add groups is to go to the My Groups page. You'll see the My Groups button up here on the top. If you select that button, it will take you to the My Groups page. And from this page, you'll see here at the bottom, there's a Create New Group button. You can create a new group by selecting the Create New Group button. This will give you a similar pop-up. It's going to prompt you to add a group name. Then you can just select Save. It will save that group. And from there, you can start to edit that group. From here, you can add students to the group by selecting the Add Students button down here on the bottom. This will give you a student pop-up. You can select the students from the drop-down. The students in the drop-down are only going to be students who are currently on your caseload. So if you're looking for a student that's not in the drop-down, be sure to check that you've added that student to the My Students. If you have not added that student to the My Students page, they will not show up in the Add Students to Groups drop-down. Once you've selected the student, just select the Add Student to Group button. This will add the student to your group. If you need to delete a student from your group, you can come over next to the student's name. All the way on the right-hand side, you'll see a trash can. Select that trash can, and this will delete the student from that group. We'll prompt you by saying, are you sure you would like to delete this student from the group? Select OK, and the student is removed from the group. Once your groups are created, if you go back to the home page, you'll see that you have buttons for these groups across the top. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to create groups in related services.